Alright, composite solids. So we're putting two solids together, or more than two. Alright, girls, listening. We've got a cylinder here, and we've got a hemisphere on the top. We need to find the volume and the capacity in liters. Alright, so let's find the volume first. So, what's the volume formula for a cylinder?
Area times area.
Yep, so we know it's pi r squared h. Yep, for the cylinder. So we've got pi times the radius is half of 20, which is 10, times by the height, which is 35. So that's pretty obvious, okay? I'll get the answer. Alright, so that's cubic centimeters, okay? Now, let's find the volume of a hemisphere. Do you girls remember what the volume formula for a sphere was? Because I honestly don't remember. Yeah, because remember I did that demonstration how two cones make one sphere? Right? Girls, looking? So girls, if the volume of a sphere is 4/3, hemisphere would be half of that. But I'll just write the whole thing out, and then what I can do is just times by half. I could do that. Is that fine?
Yes.
Alright, so let's apply it. So I've got 4/3 pi times my radius of the hemisphere is also 10, because it's 10 there. Okay, this isn't as hard as I thought. Okay, I thought there was a bit more to it. So, alright, so if I quickly just put that, 094.4, that's cubic centimeters. So my total volume, girls, my total V, let's add them up. Alright, now, so this is the volume. To change this into capacity, remember the two facts? 1 cubic centimeter is the same as what? 1 milliliter. Remember, 1 cubic centimeter is the same as 1 drop. Okay? What was the other fact? Do you guys remember? 1 cubic meter? 1 kiloliter, which is 1,000 liters. Yeah? So those are the two facts basically you need to remember to be able to change anything to capacity. So what's that then? So this is the same thing as writing the same number, but in what units in capacity? Yeah, that's all it is, okay? But what do they want it in the question? Liters. How do I change milliliters to liters? Yeah, divide by 1,000. It's always by a factor of 1,000. So if I want to change that into liters, divide that by 1,000. So that is 13.1. Yeah? Okay, so that's how you change it into capacity. Now, next question, girls. We're not adding two volumes. This time we are subtracting two volumes. What are the two volumes we're just subtracting? You got the cube, take away the pyramid inside the cube. Yep. Can you see that? Because it's on a hollow top. Alright, so let's find the volume of the cube. So V cube. That's easy. That's just 12 times 12 times 12, or 12 cubed. Alright. Now, for the volume of the pyramid inside in purple, volume of the pyramid, do you girls remember the formula for volume of a pyramid? A third, because remember you can fit three pyramids into one. You'll be given a formula sheet, yeah. So third times, girls, what's the area of the base of the pyramid? Yeah, it's a square. So 12 times 12, and what's the height? 12 as well. Yeah, I'll just write down the formula just in case. Alright, so if I do that, 6. Alright, so in this case, what's my final volume?
1728 minus.
Yeah, minus it. Okay? So this is in cubic centimeters. Okay, so once again, if I want this in milliliters or liters, remember it's the same thing as writing in milliliters. Further divide that by 1,000 to get into liters. So to liters, divide by 1,000. So that's 1.2 if I round it off. All right, any question?